Today we try to make some soap. First we melt the fat. Just using what I had available. It needs to have contact with the heat. But must not get too hot. After a little accident with some hot fat, we continue without. Measuring 250 grams of coconut oil. We need to be precise with those measurements. Next, we need 300 grams of palm Stearin. $250 grams plus 300 grams should be 550 grams. Adding the 250 grams of sunflower oil should have been done after melting. The fat would cool down quicker in doing so. Anyway, let's heat it up. We want all the fat to be molten, but not boiling hot. Meanwhile, we start measuring out the water. We need 304 grams of water. Also, here we need to be exact. Okay, the fat is nearly ready. But we must not have any solid fat chunks left in it. Handles are hot, so use gloves to handle the pot. Now on with the lye. Latest, now your personal protective equipment is needed. Gloves and glasses are a must. We measure out the lye exactly 181 grams. Take your time, don't spill, and measure properly. Always drop your lye into the water, not the other way around. Now mix it till all the 90% pure KOH flakes are dissolved. Put in the fat. Maybe the other way around would again be better. And now we need to stir the mass. For a long time. Make sure to give your mixture a rest in between. But keep stirring manually then. The mass needs to have a Vaseline-like texture. Don't forget to add some essential oils. I used lemongrass. And keep stirring till you can draw on the mass. Filling it into the form, I realized I had been impatient. After a week, I heated the mass up to 80 degrees for 4 hours and stirred it again. Now it needs to rest. I'll cut it in a week and leave it for another 6 weeks then.